Alright, hi everybody, just John here today. Bernie's off working. So I got another box of this playoff hockey one-on-one. This is the American version. I'm going to try and go through this one a little bit quicker since we saw most of the common cards last time. Super rare 1 in 72 packs with 2 boxes, so hopefully we get one this time. Alright, just gonna move the box right out of the way. Just start going through packs. I'll try and go through the common cards a little quicker this time. The last video on this stuff was a little bit long. These are quite stuck together. You know what? I really only need to see what the rares are. Yuri Khmylov. I can go through all these better later, but there's one that needs to be ripped. Oh yeah, these are stuck much worse than the Canadian box was. Only difference other than that being Canadian had French on the box but not on the cards. We got a Jeremy Roenick. These are all stuck together. I'll pull them apart later. There's a Felix Potvin. The rare is Peter Bondra. Nice. There's someone we collect that we didn't have on the rare cards. And for these sets, the common cards are number 1 to 110, I believe it is. The uncommon is 111 to 220. And over 220 is the rare ones. And the super rare, I believe, have the gold background instead of the silver background. Back as a Keith Tkachuk and a Mario. Common Mario. There's a Luc Robitaille. Bunch of stuck together cards. I'll pull them apart and see what's there later. And Tim Chevalier on the rare. It's one we hadn't got yet. Not a player we collect. Start out with an Al MacInnis on this one. These seem a little less stuck together. There's a Doug Gilmour. Patrick Waugh. A couple of nobodies. Joe Sakic. And Martin Straka on the rare. Okay, I can see I'm eating up a bit of time here anyway. Oh, there's a Wayne Gretzky, not the super rare though. Bunch of stuck together cards. I'll just pull off the rare and see what that is. Oh, Gary Suter. I don't care if it is a rare. I don't like him. Oh, beauty. Ultra rare Wayne Gretzky. I'm assuming that is the most valuable card in the box. Number 269. Gold background. Well, considering I paid $1.02 per pack for these 72 packs, and there's 12 cards per pack, I think I got my money's worth getting that Gretzky there. This pack starts off with a Gary Roberts. Ugh, and there's a red card. Better do that right away. Bunch of stuck together cards and a rare Peter Nedved. Just stuck together. I was hoping that would be the Fleury. We didn't get him in the last box, even though it's supposed to be a common card. But I do have it in my collection already, so. And Bob Corkum on the rare. There's a Yager in this one, a Ranford, and the rare is Curtis Leschyshyn. Yeah, I can see I'm already at almost 7 minutes, and I don't want to make this a super long 20-some minute video like the last one. So I'm going to skip over most of the common cards and just go to the rares. There's a nice Solani. Bunch of stuck together cards I'll pull apart later, and the rare is Tommy Salo. Again, if you're really interested in seeing all the common cards, I'm sure we had most of them in the last box. Fleury might be the only one we didn't get. There's a Ron Francis, a Ken Reagan at the start of this pack. And the rare is Yeri Curry. Very nice. Goes well with the ultra rare Gretzky. Bunch of stuck together cards and Paul Ranheim on the rare. Jamie Storr and Fred Knipscher. Never heard of him, but that's the rare. As you can see from the background today, I occasionally collect some non-hockey things, but only if they're really funny. Bret Hart happened to be at a card show, so. Oh, there's a Marty Brodeur. I know at least one of my followers will be happy to see that. A bunch of stuck together cards. And the rare is Kozlov. And Kelly Rudy on the rare. All the rare cards players we collect are Kings players in this box, it looks like. I won't complain. Oh, these are horribly stuck together Eric Daze is the rare. Another Ron Francis. And Sean Hill is the rare. A lot of stuck together cards in here. I don't want to make this a super long video pulling them all apart for you. Like I said, watch the Canadian version if you're really interested in seeing all the cards. Very stuck together. And Travis Green is the rare. Ugh. Let's rip that right now. Oh, there's an Eric Lindros. Alexander Mogilny. Who is the rare in this pack? Patrice Brisebois. Excuse me. Ugh, very stuck together cards. And the rare is Dean McAmmond. I can see I'm already going pretty long on this video, but I think I'm over halfway done. And I think I'm going to focus mostly just on the... Nice Ollie. Mostly on the rares. Peter Doris. Peter Doris the Explorers. Bunch of stuck together cards, and the rare is Dino Ciccarelli. Richard Zerbe on the front here. And the rare is Kelly Miller. Oh, there's another Mario Lemieux right on the front here. I think that's one we already got in this box. The rare is Jason Daw. And the rare in this pack, Ray Whitney. Very stuck together, a lot of these cards. Jason Bonsignor. Getting towards the bottom of the box now, so hopefully I should at least keep this video shorter than the other one. Cam Neely on the front, and a Bill Ranford rare. Got him in the last box. Rob Blake on the front here, and our rare Brett Hedican. Lindros on the front of this pack, and the rare Jamie Baker. I think there's about 6, maybe 8 packs left. Marty McSorley on the front. Rare is Shane Churla. I think I bumped the camera there. There's a Dominik Hasek on the front there. And our rare Teppo Numminen. Well, that one has to be ripped immediately. There's another Hasek. That's the uncommon, I believe. And the rare Joel Otto on the Flyers. Oh, sorry about that. Gotta say, this definitely seems like it's easier and quicker when Bernie's here to do half the packs. Ugh, there's something that needs ripping immediately. And the rare card, Pat Conacher. Looks like 3 packs left. So I should be able to keep it at least a little shorter than the last video. Lots of stuck together cards. Ken Baumgartner is the rare in this pack. 2 packs to go. Oh, that's stuck together. Valerie Kamensky, the rare in that one. And final pack. I very much doubt we'll get another super rare in one box. Let's see what we got. The rare is Neil Broughton. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. I'll let you know right now it's gonna be a good one. Alright, see you later.